Swift Back Connect or Automatic Rotation Proxy is a service that offers worldwide mix unlimited premium HTTP or HTTPS proxy servers, which is ideal for web data scraping, extraction tools, data mining applications, and SEO proxy tools such as Rumor, Sanook, GSA-SARE, Rankerx, GScraper, Scrapebox, Hrefs, etc., and any other web scrapers. Thousands of premium and fast HTTP proxy servers located in multiple countries worldwide are routed through a central access point, gateway server, allowing you to use IPs from over 200 different countries, with true unlimited connections for a very affordable price. Our unique proxy service is reliable, fast, automatic and fully redundant, 24/7, and has no restrictions on bandwidth or threads. We have access to premium residential and data center proxies, made possible by a close partnership with our reputable vendors worldwide. The proxies are assessed via a super gateway server with over 99% uptime. Once connected to the gateway server, each connection is then rerouted to thousands of proxy IPs in our huge IP pool. How to sign up? Step 1. Visit www.proxy-connect.com and navigate to the pricing menu and select your desired package. Step 2. Select your desired package and click on Sign Up. Step 3. Fill in your information and select your plan. We currently have a weekly and monthly plan. Both plans are one-time payment only. Therefore, there is no automatic billing. Please note that the Back Connect proxy is IP authenticated and you will be required to provide the IP of the machine from which you intend to use the proxy on the sign-up page. Simply enter your IP on the Enter Your IP to authorize if placing an order for Back Connect/Rotation Proxy field on the sign-up page. After you complete your order, you will receive a confirmation email automatically. However, your IP will be manually activated within a few minutes. In some cases, activation may take longer. As soon as your IP is activated, you will be notified by email and provided the proxy details. How our automatic IP rotation proxy works? Please note that this proxy service is a single gateway IP-based proxy system that enables you to connect to thousands of HTTP or HTTPS worldwide proxies using only a single static gateway IP and single port. The IP connection is routed through our pool of thousands of premium and verified HTTPS proxies. The IP pool is dynamic and constantly updated with fresh working proxies. If an IP becomes unresponsive, it is removed from the pool and is replaced by a new one. This ensures that you will always have access to a fresh working pool of thousands of IPs. Therefore, instead of configuring individual IPs, you simply configure a single gateway IP with the designated port and the gateway server, then reroutes your connection to the individual proxy IP. Thus, each time you connect to the gateway proxy IP, you are connected to different proxy servers which are located in multiple countries. Thus, you do need to change the IP in your program or proxy client after you have entered it the first time. Important, please note that our Back Connect proxies does not utilize ports to assign the number of threads or connections you can make. Each port above is capable of supporting thousands of connections and unlimited threads. To use the automatic IP proxy, just connect to either the HTTP or HTTPS gateway IP on the designated port, as provided above, and you are done. You don't need to configure anything else. It will rotate automatically and you will get new IPs. The gateway IP and port stays the same in your settings, but the actual IP will change every connection or hit, so there is no need to switch from one proxy to another manually. How to use our automatic IP HTTP or HTTPS proxy? Please note that this proxy service is a gateway server-based proxy system that enables you to connect to multiple rotating HTTP or HTTPS IPs via a static gateway IP and port. The HTTP or HTTPS proxies are a mix of both exclusive, premium and verified public proxies with high uptime of over 99%. With our automatic IP rotation Back Connect proxy system, the system will attempt to route your request via the gateway servers to unique proxy IPs. However, in some cases, it's possible that multiple requests are routed via the same proxy. The system tries as much as possible to route only working proxies for each request and as random as possible. Please note that our proxy performance or speed depends on the proxy type or protocol you are using, and the specific website you are scraping or posting on. Also, the location and specifications of your server or computer from which you will be accessing the proxies. In addition, please expect a few failures or minimal percentage of failures of the proxy requests you will be making. Due to multiple network factors beyond our control, occasional failed requests are to be expected and perfectly normal. To compensate for these minimal failures and to speed up your requests, you should use many threads as your system can allow and set a high timeout such as 180 seconds. The more threads you can use, the more unique IPs you can get and the faster your requests can be completed. Note, the gateway proxies always work 24/7. But remember that you are being redirected to multiple huge backend proxy IPs, some of which may time out quickly or may not respond 100% of the time. Therefore, occasional proxy failure or timeout is considered normal, and should not be taken to mean that the gateway proxy server is dead. So expect up to 20% of all requests to fail. For example, if you make like 1 million total requests via the proxies, expect up 10 to 20% of these 1 million requests to fail. We allow unlimited connections per month and unlimited threads to compensate for this minimal failure rate. How to configure the HTTPS proxy gateway IP and port? To configure and use the HTTPS proxy servers with your proxy client, take the following steps. Step 1. Enter the gateway IP as the proxy IP. Note that this is the gateway IP and this IP must be used always. It does not change. Note, you will be provided the gateway IP in your welcome email after you sign up. Step 2. Choose the proxy type as HTTP, requires no username or password authentication. Your IP will be required to authenticate to the proxy server gateway IP. Step 3. Enter the proxy worldwide port 6000. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us through our support center at www.condorland.com/support suite. If you have any questions, please let us know. We can be reached by email, service@proxy-connect.com or via Skype at DynamicZone360. To learn more, please visit www.proxy-connect.com. Enjoy our BackConnect proxies.